adding one two-digit number, perhaps the number is 18, right? Plus a one-digit number, plus 3, okay? So the steps have not changed. That's 18 plus 3, okay? Remember, we start adding from the right, but before that we label, so units, tens, okay? So here I have 8 units. That's 8 units, right? Plus 3 units, right? When I put these together, that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When our result is greater than 9, right? When the result is greater than 9 is when we carry. So I have 11, right? So that is the 1 on that side from 11. This one goes here, as that represents the units, and then the 1 representing the tens will be carried into that column, okay? So now we have 1 plus, we have nothing there, so 1 plus 0, and we know if we add anything to 0, the answer is still the same. So 1 plus 0 will give us 1. But now let's not forget about that 1 that we carried, so we add that 1 that was carried. Let me just do that so you know that it was carried, okay? So then that becomes 2, okay? So 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2, okay? So the answer is 21, all right? Now, lastly, I'm going to show you how to work when you have a 3-digit number being added and there is the action of carrying, okay? So let's say the number I have is 788 plus, let me say, 122. Okay, so the first step stays the same. That is 788 plus 122. Okay. Let's not forget, we label units, tens, hundreds. Okay? So, we start with the units. I have 8. So, that is 8 plus the 2, right? So that is 8 plus 2, right? Put those together. That gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So I put my 0 there, representing the units and the 10. And then I have to carry that 1 onto the tens there. Sorry, that's not as clear. Plus 1, okay? So that's been carried. And then we move on to the tens now. So the tens, yet again, we have 8 tens. All right, so that is 8 tens plus 2, right? Plus 2, and let's not forget that one that was carried. Okay, I hope you can still see. Just make that a little bigger. Okay, right, so when we put these together, gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so now I have 11, right? 11. So that one represents the tens, but yet again, now I have to carry again, right? So I do that. That is not a problem. Plus another one for the hundreds now, right? So we start off with that 7. So that is 7 hundreds. Right? Plus 100. Right? Plus just that one that we've carried from the tens. And when I put them together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer is 9 there. And the sum of these two numbers will now be 910. Okay. Thank you, and I hope you have understood. Until next time.